Welcome to Kimavi videos. What is machine learning? Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, deep learning, neural networks. What is machine learning? Machine learning algorithms use statistics to find patterns in massive amounts of data. And data, here, encompasses words, images, clicks, etc. If it can be digitally stored, it can be fed into a machine learning algorithm. Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience. It is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning algorithms build a mathematical model based on sample data, known as training data, in order to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning algorithms are used in a wide variety of applications, such as email, filtering, and computer vision. Where it is difficult or infeasible to develop conventional algorithms to perform the needed tasks. The process of learning begins with observations or data, such as examples, direct experience, or instruction. Examples of machine learning. Machine learning is the process that powers many of the services we use today, recommendation systems like those on Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify, search engines like Google and Baidu, social media feeds like Facebook and Twitter, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. The list goes on. What is supervised machine learning? Think of it as something like a sniffer dog that will hunt down targets once it knows the scent it's after. Supervised learning is the machine learning task of learning a function that maps an input to an output based on example input-output pairs. In supervised learning, the most prevalent, the data is labeled to tell the machine exactly what patterns it should look for. That's what you're doing when you press play on a Netflix show. You're telling the algorithm to find similar shows. A wide range of supervised learning algorithms are available, each with its strengths and weaknesses. What is unsupervised machine learning? Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning that looks for previously undetected patterns in a data set with no pre-existing labels and with a minimum of human supervision. In contrast to supervised learning that usually makes use of human-labeled data, unsupervised learning, also known as self-organization, allows for modeling of probability densities over inputs. It forms one of the three main categories of machine learning, along with supervised and reinforcement learning. In unsupervised learning, the data has no labels. The machine just looks for whatever patterns it can find. This is like letting a dog smell tons of different objects and sorting them into groups with similar smells. Unsupervised techniques aren't as popular because they have less obvious applications. Is machine learning AI? Machine learning is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it learn for themselves. Machine learning algorithms are responsible for the vast majority of the artificial intelligence advancements and applications you hear about. What is deep learning? Deep learning is machine learning on steroids. It uses a technique that gives machines an enhanced ability to find and amplify even the smallest patterns. This technique is called a deep neural network, deep because it has many layers of simple computational nodes that work together to munch through data and deliver a final result in the form of the prediction. What are neural networks? Neural networks were vaguely inspired by the inner workings of the human brain. The nodes are sort of like neurons, and the network is sort of like the brain itself. But Hinton published his breakthrough paper at a time when neural nets had fallen out of fashion. No one really knew how to train them, so they weren't producing good results. It took nearly 30 years for the technique to make a comeback. And boy, did it make a comeback. What is reinforcement learning? A reinforcement algorithm learns by trial and error to achieve a clear objective. It tries out lots of different things and is rewarded or penalized depending on whether its behaviors help or hinder it from reaching its objective. This is like giving and withholding treats when teaching a dog a new trick. Reinforcement learning is the basis of Google's AlphaGo, the program that famously beat the best human players in the complex game of Go. Thank you. Please subscribe by visiting Kimavi.com. What is machine learning? Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, deep learning, neural networks? Thank you from Kimavi. Goodbye and have a good day.